Ramsey Pariwa has to go through a number of court challenges for candidates disputing his win. After 2 years of handling court battles, the verdict on the final case was delivered early this week, dismissing the election petition case filed by Jerry Singirok. Mr. Singirok challenged the election of Ramsey Pariwa on the ground of errors and omissions by officers of the Election Commission during counting and scrutiny, relying on Section 2181 of the Organic Law and national and local level government elections. Singirok claimed that each category of errors and omissions affected the result of the election and sought relief from the court to declare Pariwa's election null and void. After much deliberation and assessment of evidence portrayed during the trial, Justice David Cannings dismissed the petition.
The court found now that the scrutiny was correct because the petitioner alleged that the scrutiny was improper and irregular, and there were inflation of unaccounted votes. But the court found now that the votes were all accounted for, the scrutiny was properly done, and dismissed the petition.
According to Justice Cannings, Singirok proved an error on the part of officers of the Election Commission in the counting of the number of informal votes. The judge acknowledged that it was a significant error and was a breach of Section 154 of the Organic Law. The error was magnified by the refusal by the returning officer and the assistant returning officer to comply with repeated requests from scrutineers, including the petitioner's chief scrutineer to subject the informal votes to a quality check, and by the unexplained increase of 1,763 in the number of informal votes upon the resumption of counting on the afternoon of Sunday, 13th August 2022. However, Justice Cannings in the judgment stated that this was not enough for Singirok to prove that such an error occurred. In citing previous cases, the judge said the petition was based on Section 2181 of the Organic Law and must prove that the error affected the result of the election. Judge Cannings therefore ruled that there was no good reason for the election to be declared void or for any alternative relief and dismissed the case. Madang Governor Ramsey Pariwa welcomed the court's decision.
Now this court is ended. I assure you that by next year, because it's December now, we will start afresh and start anew.
Tracy Pa, TVWAN News.